2 minutes until we are live. And we're pumping. Oh, yes, we are pumping. Oh, welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and my mic was muted. That is classic. I was so excited about the crypto pump that I didn't even want to unmute my mic because I was so embarrassed of what I might say, how bullish I am. I'm so bullish. The mic is unmuted now. I'm so sorry. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Thank you to my chat. What the heck, as I say, there's a lot of great stories out there today. Happy Monday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody out there. I hope everybody's doing as wonderful as I am today. I'm feeling good. Did you smash a like button? Are you excited for crypto? This is the moment we've been waiting for. We are having a weekly candle close, bouncing off the top of the range, exactly as we talked about here on this channel, as so many people have been looking at this and waiting for our new all-time high that we hit back in March of 2024 to be broken out through once again, right at that $74,000 range. But first, we have this $70,000 level to hit, and we are getting increasingly closer by the minute, by the second. As a matter of fact, let me see what's going on right now. If I can go over to the charts for the Bitcoin, let's see what we've got going on right this very second. Here we are. Look at it. It's beautiful. A $69,000 Bitcoin. Are you watching? Are you paying attention? Have you been buying crypto? I think you have been. That's probably why you're watching a cryptocurrency channel today. But here's the scoop, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Boom. Bounce, bounce. Right off the top of this range. This is the range we've been talking about. All your altcoins, your Bitcoin, the whole thing, the whole shebang. It depends on Bitcoin. If you take a peek at the weekly candles, look at the beauty that we have going on right here. Check it out. Check it out. Here you go. This is the first weekly candle close, okay, that we have had completely above. No part of the body of this candle is in this other range. The range that we've been stuck in for 231 days. And then this week came and boom, these 7 days were beautiful days, all above the range that we've been stuck in for too long, for oh so long. which could mean one thing. One thing in particular that I think we're all excited for. It could mean that we're getting a bounce off the top of this range. There's a lot of candles above this line here. We are getting closer to 70K. If we can get to 70K, we might play some games in this area, guys. We might play some of these games. Boop, 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 boop. Maybe some of these bounces. I don't think we're going to hang out in there for too long, and there's a lot of reasons why. We're going to come back to the Bitcoin chart. I know we all want to look at the price of Bitcoin right now. And we will. We're going to keep an eye on that aggressively. If you guys see any price action happening on that while I'm into some news stories, please let me know, and we'll go back over to the chart to watch this pump. Man, I love starting off a live stream with a muted microphone. That's the best. Ding! Okay, let's get into this, guys. Bitcoin's at $69,000 today. What are the top movers? By the way, fear and greed index still neutral. You're still at a buying opportunity, historically speaking. That's incredible. Bitcoin dominance is getting closer to 60%. This is a key level. We might see Bitcoin start to retrace versus altcoins, which means your altcoins might start to bounce in their values versus BTC soon. That means Crocoin versus Bitcoin. That means Ethereum versus Bitcoin. That means Avalanche versus Bitcoin. All these charts have been going down and to the right. Eventually, Bitcoin is going to break to new highs. Price discovery mode is going to be engaged. Total market cap is going to be broken through. We're going to go from $3 trillion, which was our previous peak of this bull market, blasting up to maybe $5 or $10 trillion, which means billions and trillions of dollars are going to flow in. And Bitcoin is probably going to peak out somewhere in the 60% dominance range. And then altcoins are going to start rallying once again. And so what are the altcoins that are rallying today? Bitcoin SV, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Thorchain, Dogecoin leading the pack. Actually, one of the top movers over the last 24 hours of the top 100. It is a meme, the biggest meme in the history of crypto, Dogecoin. Rallying today. Not surprised there. I think Dogecoin's probably going to break $1 at some point again. I think Dogecoin's got an easy 10x ahead of it in this bull market, especially since it's kind of baked into the Elon Musk narrative. And I know a lot of people out there in crypto, at least, like Elon Musk. So anyway, meme coins are pumping. Bitcoin is one of the top gainers though, and that shouldn't be that surprising to you guys because Bitcoin dominance is climbing. And so that's exactly what this means. That means that Bitcoin is still performing very well. In fact, in general, gaining market dominance, meaning that it's very strong, stronger than a lot of other altcoins still. But at some point, Bitcoin's going to top out in its dominance, and then money's going to flow into altcoins. People are going to be taking profit out of Bitcoin, shuffling it into altcoins. That does not mean that Bitcoin's going to go down to 20% dominance or something low like that. But it does mean that people are going to start diversifying as they start getting more and more in the profit in their Bitcoin and start speculating on some lower cap meme coins because people want to make millions and billions and trillions and thousands and hundreds of dollars. Okay, so today, wait, what are the big losers today? Are there any losers on a day like today? There are some losers. There you go. Celestia's down. Sui. Oh no, Sui is down. I've been talking about some ranges on Sui. Sui, $2 is a tough level, but I have been saying that we could easily come back down to somewhere in this, this range. And, really, I mean, there's a chance that we could come back down below $1. I don't think we're going to do that. I made a prediction probably right around that. I forget exactly what it was. It was like right around, oh yeah, it was right around these previous candles over here. I was saying, okay, maybe we come back down to like this $1.23 level just because these early candles, big candle closes over here. So I was thinking maybe something like that. That's still on the table. Probably get a swift bounce with that. Bitcoin dominance is climbing. Bitcoin is climbing now, $69,149, moving higher, moving higher. How high will we go? Can we hit $70,000 on stream? Smash the like button. I would like to see that. I had my coffee today. I'm sure you noticed. Cat in a dog's world is one of the biggest losers today. That's a meme. I don't like cat memes personally. Let me know what you think about cat memes in the comments down below. Other memes are actually hurting right now, and some memes are blasting off. I'm going to come over to, yes, this wonderful, beautiful Mystery Mary token chart. These are the weekly candles. We had one weekly candle close in the red, but then another blast off. There's a lot of speculation around this coin. I hold this coin. I'm biased towards this coin. There's a lot of great memes out there. This is one that I talk to my community a lot about, and so I'm just going to give an update on that later on. But there's a lot of coins that are coming down today because Bitcoin's stealing the show. Caspa's down a little bit today. Caspa's down to 11.84 cents. This is, guys, this is an altcoin reckoning, okay? This is an altcoin reckoning right now because Bitcoin's doing the thing, but that's okay. This is temporary in my opinion. I'm looking forward to the moment where Bitcoin blasts through these highs, it peaks out in its market dominance, and then all of a sudden, when Bitcoin goes parabolic, our altcoins can start pumping once again. Let's look at the sweet chart really quick. Down to $1.65. Yes, very low right now. Caspa, I had a Caspa chart as well. Do I have my Caspa versus the dollar chart? Let's see if I can pull that up real quick. Boom. Caspa versus the dollar. This is coming back down to kind of the lower area of this range. Still looking for a bounce here. I don't know if we're going to come back down to these levels. I said that this 5.4 cent level is possible in my video about Caspa yesterday. Again, I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're just playing with people's hearts at the bottom of these ranges. Bitcoin just needs to keep slipping up, keep slipping upwards, should I say, and move towards the 74K range, move to 80K. And if Bitcoin's blasted to 80K, I think that altcoins are going to bounce again. And maybe even if Bitcoin's still outperforming altcoins for just a little bit, altcoins are going to start going up sooner rather than later. I'm feeling good about this. This is what we've historically seen every single time. And I think we're going to see more of the same. Today, if you look at the liquidation heat map, in the last 24 hours, first of all, there's a lot of memes that are actually big volume plays in terms of leverage play. You got Mew, you got Whiff, you got Turbo, you got Pepe. Look at this. This is the last 24 hours. Look at the last hour. There are so many others, right? Others. These are altcoins. These are meme coins. There's so many. There's Doge. There's Nero. Here's a bunch of meme coins. Meme coins are such a hot narrative, guys. It's just crazy. It's just crazy how hot memes are. This is the meme coin super cycle, I think. This bull market is going to be, I mean, the biggest meme coin mania that I think we've seen yet in crypto. I'm personally a believer in that, which is why a lot of my money's in meme coins right now, which is ridiculous, but it's paying off. And there's reasons why. I mean, there's good reasons why. Memes are hot. Solana ecosystem is very hot. The Solana memes are things that have boosted us up to where we're at. Here you go. You got AI memes, which are now a hot trend. I don't even know what the AI memes are. Get Godius Maximus, AI meme. I guess Turbo is an AI meme. I didn't know that. Grok has a token now. I had no idea that Grok has a token. It's probably not associated with Musk or anything. Who knows, guys? There's so many memes out there. You've got 2 different meme categories in the top categories of crypto overall. Memes are hot, guys. Memes are hot. What can I tell you? What can I tell you? Anyway, in terms of liquidations, let's hone back in here and say that we actually haven't had a lot of liquidations over the last couple days. And this is kind of just saying, well, we had this big liquidation event, kind of cooled people off, killed those greedy longs, dipped back down one time. And now we just got buyers coming in. And we could be on the precipice of seeing the shorts getting squeezed, because if we've looked at the liquidation heat map consistently for a while, there's still so much money ready to be liquidated right around these price levels at 70,000 right here, 70,000, $15 billion at 70,000. You got $14 billion at 72,000. So 70,000 to 73,000 massive liquidations on the table for the shorts, I believe. And then we could blast off and just absolutely smash the price discovery mode for Bitcoin and then our altcoins as well. Another thing that, shout out to George from Cryptos R Us, who posted this on his Twitter. I don't know if he found it or somebody on his team found it, but actually, fun fact, in terms of weeks of October, 44th week of the year, this is the month of October. We are in this week right now. Brand new week starting today, starting last night on the daily candle close for Bitcoin at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is the most bullish month in the history of October, historically speaking. So October is historically one of the most bullish months ever, and this is the most bullish week in the month of October. Man, took me a while to get words out there. 21% gains on average for Bitcoin. This is the most bullish week. And by the way, October has now flipped September, so congratulations. We are in October, and this is the best month, really one of the best months actually in Bitcoin's history. This is supposed to be the best month in Bitcoin's history. Oh, there's November. November's supposed to be the best month. So that's coming next. A lot of exciting things to be excited for. Can you tell that I'm excited? Because I am. Stock to flow model suggests that Bitcoin's going a lot higher, but forget that. Let's talk about Tether real quick. We'll come back to that. Tether CEO clarifies asset reserves amid FUD. So recently there was some FUD against Tether, saying that there was an investigation going on as to whether they were going to get in trouble for possible violations and sanctions and anti-money laundering rules, breaking rules. Speaking at the Plan B forum in Lugano, Switzerland, where they recently just unveiled a new Satoshi Nakamoto statue, which is very historic, by the way. Very cool statue. For those of you guys that haven't seen it, actually, let's look at the Satoshi Nakamoto statue. I don't think I spelled statue right. That didn't work out either. Oh no, oh no. I want to show you guys the statue. Satoshi Nakamoto statue. Statue. Got it. Boom. Look at this. This is super cool. Here it is in Lugano. It disappears. And it doesn't. It disappears and it does. It's pretty cool. Anyway. Okay. Sorry, I got sidetracked there. Anyway, you do have the CEO of Tether speaking out in this Plan B forum in Lugano, Switzerland. One of the third largest financial hubs in Switzerland, who has the Satoshi Nakamoto statue now, saying that, hey, we're fine. Tether CEO confirms that the reserves hold a total of 82,000 Bitcoin, which is a lot of Bitcoin, and 48.3 tons of gold. That's a lot of gold. So they're doing okay. They're doing okay, and some people want to attack them and continue to attack them. But here you go. Here's the CEO, saying, at Tether, we deal regularly and directly with law enforcement officials to prevent rogue nations and bop-a-boop-a-bop. I don't like reading those words out loud. We would know if we were being investigated, as the article falsely claimed. Based on that, so the Wall Street Journal put out a fake article, is what the CEO is saying. So it was all fake news. If you were flooded out of the market, and that's a shame. That's a shame, because there's fake news that happens all the time. Here's some not fake news. Microsoft is actually considering to adopt Bitcoin. They're considering a Bitcoin investment in December. There's going to be a vote. But here's the key. The board is opposed to this move because Bill Gates does not like Bitcoin, apparently. And so the board is favoring the opinion of the CEO, Bill Gates, who does not like Bitcoin, though they're going to vote on it. And the board is basically saying, yeah, like, you don't need to vote on it. We're already considering this. Like, you don't need to vote on it. We'll consider it anyway, but we don't want you to vote on it because we don't want it, and we're not going to... like... This is weird. It's a weird story. It seems like they're being shady. The board is essentially saying that, we've been considering this for a while, so you don't need to vote on this. You don't need to force the issue. We're going to continue to consider it, so we recommend you don't. Which really just tells me that they don't want it. The board doesn't want it, which is weird. But who cares what the board says? The shareholders are going to vote. And the shareholders, I think, personally, that the Microsoft shareholders are going to vote in December to buy Bitcoin. And so if we backtrack and we remember what the data suggests for Bitcoin, looking at the monthly percentage returns for Bitcoin on average, October, extremely bullish. November, extremely bullish. December is historically bullish too. But imagine if all of a sudden Microsoft is FOMOing into Bitcoin in the December highs, going into the post-Bitcoin halving year 2025, a post-presidential election year where both of those events historically lead to very bullish things for Bitcoin. Add in Microsoft buying Bitcoin and Microsoft shareholders, going against the board's recommendation in favor of a Bitcoin purchasing strategy. And boy, oh boy, can we make some money, guys. Boy, oh boy, can we make some money. Very exciting. And here you go. A little bit of a tidbit. Let's talk about this from CNBC. I want to share this little story with you really quick. We'll listen to this for a minute here.
Here, let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin climbing over $68,000 this morning, up 100% in the last year. Let's take a look at some of the trends in the crypto markets. Joining us is Matthew Siegel, head of digital assets research at VanEck. So there are a variety of things that we've tried to correlate with Bitcoin movements and become less and less successful at anything we can just count on, almost. But it does seem that when Trump started moving up.
My question is like, do these guys know about the 4-year cycle yet? Like, what do you, like, it's just like a 4-year cycle. That's the story. It's like, well, we can't really figure it out. I know this guy knows about the 4-year cycle. I don't know why he's not talking about it right there.
And we just hit Calcion and some of the betting sites, it does seem like this most latest run from 57 to almost 70 seems to be correlated with the betting odds improving. Is that fair to say in your view, Matthew?
Yeah, I agree with that. Trump is clearly the more pro-crypto and Bitcoin candidate. And
all right, so there you go. They're going to jump right into politics, which I don't really want to get into, so I'm going to move on. But here's the idea, guys. In this interview, this guy comes out and says that Bitcoin could go to $3 million. This is what this guy says. This is an expert from VanEck. And I think that the CEO came out of VanEck and said $3 million prediction for, Bitcoin. So can this happen? He talks about global adoption. He talks about, yeah, I mean, global adoption is possible because the fact is less than 5% of the global population is invested in cryptocurrency. That is crazy. And like, how much cryptocurrency do they own? Probably not a lot. Most people don't own a lot of crypto. Only the true degens out there, the OGs, own a lot of crypto. And I know there's a lot of us out there that are accumulating more. And so I just think that it's going to continue to go in the right direction. I mean, again, Microsoft is about to FOMO in. Less than 5% of the global population invests in crypto. What do you think happens when Microsoft gets in? You think more people are interested in Bitcoin? Probably. But in this interview here, here's a
very long term that Bitcoin becomes a reserve asset that's used in global trade and held by global central banks at a very modest 2% weight. And in that model, we arrive at a $3 million price target for Bitcoin. Now, that sounds, extreme, but that's a 16% compound annual growth rate for a couple decades. That's not really that extreme. So into the millions over the medium term is a high conviction call.
That's a high conviction play. That is an amazing, amazing way to lay that out. Very, very bullish. Yes, it is very bullish. You should feel good. I should feel good. We should all like these stories. Microsoft's buying Bitcoin. Don't forget about that. Here you go, too. Some memes are pumping today. Not all the memes, but some very low-cap memes are pumping. Here's one on Cronos. There is rumors of just a quick update for all the Cronos folks out there. I want to talk about this really quick because people are like 100% sure that Mary's going to get listed on crypto.com, and I'm not. Let me be very clear. I have high confidence that it will. I have evidence to suggest so. So I put out this tweet. There is evidence for a mystery Mary token, crypto.com exchange listing, but that does not 100% mean it's going to happen. I hope it does. Either way, I'm bullish. The chart is looking spicy. And then somebody responded, show me the evidence or it never happened. I said, okay, here we go. The biggest piece of evidence is the fact that they put out a tweet about meme coins a while ago. They did put out a tweet about meme coins. On this tweet, there was a bunch of meme coins in a video. In this video that they released from their official crypto.com X account, all those memes were listed on the app and exchange. Mary was the only one that was not yet listed. They also partnered with the Loaded Lion CDC, and there was a big announcement that they had done so. This account is huge. The Loaded Lion CDC account is actually a rather large account. So is the crypto.com account. For them to tweet out the Mystery Mary token image, that's a big deal. And then there's this other one that I don't really love getting behind 100% because I don't have any of the facts behind it. There were also some rumors of a CDC wallet, crypto.com wallet, buying Mystery Mary token. That I cannot confirm or deny. They're claiming that it's a test wallet that bought pennies on the dollar worth of Mary token as a test transaction because then they're allegedly going to list the token and going to buy a bunch of Mary from that wallet. People think that it's going to get listed on Halloween. I don't know what comes next. Now, some guy out here laid out here's that evidence, sir. All that is old, but these evidence existed. And this is that wallet, and they bought $26. They bought a penny worth. And so here's their test transactions that is being alleged. I don't know if these are facts. I don't know if these are rumors. This is just what's being said. In my mind, it's rumors until it's facts. We do not know exactly what's going to happen. But it's great to see, an ecosystem pumping. Right now, this is the biggest mover in this ecosystem by far. It's a ghost logo. People think it's going to get listed on Halloween. I can understand why. I think so too, but I could be wrong. It's not financial advice. I own a lot of that coin. You should know that I'm biased, guys. But I have reasons to believe that the thing's going to go up personally because I'm bullish on meme coins, as I laid out for you guys. There's so many good memes out there, guys. Look at this. The top categories on CoinGecko. Let's take a peek at this. Zoo-themed. Animal tokens. This is it. Mudeng is at top of the charts. Zoo-themed. It's ridiculous. So what? They don't even have the dog tokens in here. Just zoo-themed. Just inspired by Mudeng. So who's coming out with Zebra coin? You know what I mean? Meme coins are so wild, guys. They're so huge. It's crazy. I did a Mudeng video the other day. I said, Mudeng, could it 100? It could. I think it'd be ridiculous. Is it possible? It's possible. But I think a 10x, 20x is easy for the Mudeng coin still. We are in a parabolic move here for cryptocurrency. Bitcoin back below $69,000 right now at the time of this live stream. But I do think there's a good chance that we could be breaking through this thing at some point this week. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Some point this week, we could test at least $70,000. Who knows, guys? Maybe we might even test $74,000 at some point this week. Again, as I laid out in the beginning of this video, This is one of the most bullish weeks in the history of October, historically speaking, on average. That's what we've been watching here, very closely, is the percentage gains for Bitcoin on average. All right, guys. What's going on out there? How's everybody feeling? Oh, yes. By the way, I forgot to mention this as well. I'm very bullish on the Stacks ecosystem. You guys know that by now. Stacks is the layer 2 solution enabling DeFi on top of Bitcoin, which is why it's one of my tickers that's always been in my profile for a while. It's in my banner. I've got Welsh up there. That's the first dog meme built on Stacks. But I want to remind you guys that now it's less than this, but there is a upgrade coming. If you don't know, I said GM to the ones who know and GM to the ones that don't, and GM to the ones that don't, but seriously, you should pull yourself together and look at Stacks. If you don't know what Stacks is, and if you haven't looked into it, it's the layer 2 solution for DeFi on top of Bitcoin. And in now, I wonder how many hours it is now. Let's see if I can find out. There you go. When Nakamoto. Here's the countdown. In 10 hours and 29 minutes, there's an upgrade coming to Stacks. What's the upgrade? Well, right now, the transactions on this layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi, it's currently 10 to 30 minutes per transaction. This Nakamoto upgrade is going to bring it to under 5 seconds. And the money could start flowing into this thing like crazy. If you want to check out some of the coins, Stacks Tools is one of the best places to do it. Look at this. Some coins are up 141% today. Look at a lot of these coins, random coins that are up today. Absolutely blasting off right now, some of these things. Welsh has been doing very, very well today as well. Welsh is the first dog meme on top of the L2 for Bitcoin DeFi. This thing's doing pretty well. I don't love this chart, though. Instead, I like to look at this chart. I go over to Sat Screener. I look at Stacks tokens. And I would check out this chart right here. Boom. It's coming back. It's coming back. Nakamoto upgrades going live. Are these things going to go up? I don't know. This is the top meme that I like. Again, I'm biased. I own a lot of Welsh coin. I'm just telling you that, guys, because that's the truth. Because I believe in the future of Bitcoin DeFi. I believe in Stacks, and the first dog meme on top of Stacks. I don't know. The narrative makes sense to me, and by no means am I giving you guys financial advice on buying these. These are just two examples of coins that Welsh and Mary that I have huge allocations in because I've got faith in the ecosystems that they're related to, and I think that these are the top projects on those ecosystems, and that's really the idea. And then you could find your top projects on like Solana. Maybe you're seeing there's a zoo-themed category here, and you're realizing, okay, this Hippo coin is ridiculously popular. It just got listed on Binance Futures. Maybe this Mudang coin's my high conviction play on Solana. Maybe you're buying Bonk in the plenty. Maybe you're just a dog with hat kind of guy or gal, We got Oscar in the house. How you doing, Oscar? Yeah, dude, we got a pump going on with Mystery Mary token. Absolutely beautiful today, getting a move up. I mean, I tweeted 3 hours ago we were below this 403 level down to 4039, and now here we are. Boom. Moving a little bit higher today. Where is my boom? There it is. Moving a little bit higher right now. Pretty good. Pretty good. There are some big whales in here. There are some big whales. I've got a lot of Welsh. Or excuse me, I got a lot of Mary. I got a lot of Welsh too. But I got a lot of Mary. But there are some big buyers that are just going crazy in here. Just buying like nuts. Like some of these guys you can see. Like this is the MEXC wallet, I think. I think this is the MEXC wallet. And then you've got this Chimudo guy. Guy's got $250,000 in Mary. You got G Party, $200,000 in Mary. You got some people that have a lot. This wallet right here, I think I'm gonna say, like, one of these wallets has just been accumulating like crazy. Just absolutely part of the pump. It's been crazy. We're getting more holders too. The real key though is a crypto.com exchange listing would be huge, but it's not the end all be all for this coin. Though exchange listings always help coins. Anyway, the Nakamoto upgrade is going to go live. I'm very bullish on DeFi on top of Bitcoin, so looking forward to that. We'll see how she shakes out. We'll see how she shakes out. Bitcoin back below 69 still. We're doing okay, though. We're doing okay, guys. What else is going on out there? How's everybody doing? Big shout out to Oscar. Big shout out to Oscar. I hope you're doing well, brother. Oh, yes, yes, yes. By the way, congratulations, Coin Baron. Congratulations on your engagement, my brother. Very big, very big. I got married a year and a half ago now. Last September I got married. And then Oscar Ramos actually got married, or is getting married? Got married recently, I think. I think I'm right. And I just had a kid. And, you know, life's progressing, guys. It's crazy. Crazy. Life's progressing. I guess that's what life does, right? Anyway, I'm very bullish right now. Things are looking good. Bitcoin's pumping. Our altcoins aren't still doing that great versus Bitcoin, but that's okay because Bitcoin's going to start this party. Bitcoin's going to start this party, guys. What else is going on out there? How's everybody doing? Throw a question, throw a comment in the chat. Let's talk a little bit. Got through a lot of my news for the day that I want to share with you guys. Bitcoin's ripping. We got $3 million predictions. We got Microsoft potentially about to pump the Bitcoin, which is beautiful. And, you know, we got some memes pumping in these niche ecosystems that I've been tracking personally. Got some big positions. I'm ready to go. I'm feeling bullish. Just got to remain patient, you know? You just got to remain patient. That is one of the hardest things about this crypto market is just maintaining some patience and waiting. Not panic buying, not panic selling. OG Jerry wants a Litecoin ETF. OG Jerry's trolling me. The GOAT. Hit him with the GOAT. Jerry, hit him with the GOAT. I just love watching Bitcoin at these price levels, guys, and you should too. This is historic times. This weekly candle close that we just had, I just can't stress how important this weekly candle close was for Bitcoin. I mean, it was very, very important. I really, really hope that this week is just the week. There's a world too, guys, and let's just talk about this for a second. So what could come for this week? This is historically a very bullish week in October, so I'd expect it to be green. But just when you think you know, maybe you don't. There's the GOAT. There's the GOAT. So, like, there's a chance, guys, that this thing comes back down. And we have, like, you know, it tests here. Still. I mean, like, this could still... Maybe the body of this candle could close at the bottom of this range. That's, like, my bear case for this week, to be honest with you. My bear case... I'm going to put out a prediction. My bear case for this week is a 66K resting point. At the body of the candle closes at 66K. But I think we go up. And Bitcoin's back above 69 right now. I think we go up from here. I think we go up. A lot of things tell me we go from here. I've been bullish for a long time. I'm just waiting on that one big move. This could be it. We've been patient. Patience is key. I ordered a refrigerator last week. I don't have enough room in my freezer, my fridge. So I bought a refrigerator, freezer for my garage. I'm excited. It's getting delivered today. I've got one of the biggest pitches in my life today. I'm in insurance. I sell insurance. I got a huge pitch later today. Actually, one of the biggest deals, one of the biggest opportunities I've had in my life. And I'm going up against one competitor that I know of, at least. So we'll see. Wish me luck, guys. I've got a full suit on. Well, I don't have the suit on right now, but I have it ready to go. It's like right there. I got the suit pants on. I'm ready to go. I got a big pitch later today. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Still got a day job. But I do think that this is the bull market where if I wanted to, I could retire into crypto, into Web3 entirely. And somebody asked me a question the other day, which was a very good question. Or somebody just put out a tweet, actually. It didn't even ask me a question, but they just put out a tweet, and I answered it. And so I'm gonna actually go over to that very quickly. And so let me go to my replies. I want to show you guys this. Okay, somebody asked this. How much money is enough for you to quit your job then go full-time Web3. I said legit, $3 million. Guy says real answer. I say probably. And then Lil Maple says $10 trillion. This guy wanted real answers. I gave him a real answer. I think the answer is $3 million. Could you do it on $1 million? Yeah. Could you do it on less than $1 million? Yeah. But to feel comfortable, to just like pave the way forward in just Web3, $3 million. Is that achievable in this bull market? I think the answer is yes. I think that there's a good chance that personally I have a chance to do that. And I think there's a lot of people out there that have a chance to do things like that in this bull market. I think we all had the opportunity if you had enough income, to do so. I know not everybody has the same amount of income. Some people are more fortunate than others. Some people work harder. Some people are luckier than others. All these other factors, right? Some people have more expenses than others. Some people have debt. Some people don't have debt. There's all these different factors. But I think we can make a ton of money in this bull market. I do think that $3 million is a reasonable amount of money to kind of retire into Web3 if you want it. But I think I'd still keep selling insurance because I do enjoy it. I do thoroughly enjoy it. I like my job. It's hard. But I enjoy it. Bitcoin's climbing up. Here we go. A fresh hourly candle here. Look at this 4-hourly candle. It's a big 4-hourly candle. Big green 4-hourly candle. Never heard of that one, Killer Dragon. Never heard of that one. 360 says, I'm tired of being pre-rich. I'm with you, brother. I'm with you. This is a great move for Bitcoin right here, guys. Let me tell you. This is a great move for Bitcoin right here. I mean, to think that if this candle closes here, this is the highest daily candle close that Bitcoin has had since this candle is what it would be. 139 days ago. If this daily candle closes in the green, this is the highest a candle has closed since 139 days ago. And we are above this range, which is fantastic, which is absolutely fantastic. John 3:16 says, I am rich in Jesus. Amen. Brother, that is the spirit, man. You have got the right attitude. That's it. What else we got going on, fam? How we doing? Climbing. We're climbing. 69,181. Moving up. Let me go to the hourlies. We're on the hourlies. Here we go. Let's see if we can break past this previous couple wicks here. This is a big moment, guys. This is a big moment. If you guys are trying to trade this stuff, you can. This is really risky times for trading, to be honest with you. But if you do want to trade right now, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link. I got it pinned in the comment section for you guys. As always, check it out if you haven't taken advantage of the free sign-up money. It's there for you. Bitcoin, 69,189 bucks. This is great, guys. This is great. Did you smash the like button yet? Thanks, John. I appreciate you, brother, being in the chat every day in, day out. You're always around, man. Here we go. Bitcoin's moving. I actually got to go, guys. I got to take a call, but I appreciate all you guys. Let's see if we can get the pump. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCI Hodl. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.